Hey the YouTubes, I'm here to unbox this beautiful LED Dell computer. I think that twisted E means like accent Dell, you know, it's one of those fancy Italian letters. Alright, so it comes in this nice box, but who cares about that? Don't look at this important information. So let's open up this box. Let me just grab my knife. Okay, perfect. And I guess we just gotta start hacking away here. I don't think Gently, gently, gently. Yeah. Gently. It's just like a doctor performing a surgery on a box with a machete. Perfect. Let's unveil. Like a hunter finding its prey and then gutting it so it can eat it for dinner is basically what I'm doing. And boy, it's gonna be a great dinner. Whoa, it's just taped to the box. That's an innovation right there. And there's the box is empty. Look at that box. Let's cut this open. Okay. Okay. Okay, gently. Oh God. Gently. Gently. Oh, never mind. That'll be a bad idea. That'll be a bad idea. Yeah. Oh, this is kind of hard, actually. It's like they don't want me to have my own computer that I paid for. Thanks, Dell. Oh, wait, maybe we're supposed to do that. Oh, that'd make it easier. It's Dell XPS 13. Let's open this up. Let's see the insides. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Let's open up some more. Okay. Look at that screen. Hey, don't look at me. What are you doing? Look at that screen. Carbon fiber. Look at it. Whoosh. Can't really tell about the Infinity Edge display right now, but let's turn it on and find out. See that display? Don't look at me. Infinity Edge bezel-less display, 13 inches in this little thing. Makes it seem beautiful. Look at me. Well, that's the unboxing of this guy. I gotta pick a country. Yeah, Uzbekistan sounds right. So I'm gonna get this thing set up. Just look at it. Backlit keyboards. Oh, and it's also a 4K screen, or close, like 32,000 million or something. But it's beautiful. I'm gonna love it, and you can too. Thanks for watching the YouTubes. And Derek. Bye-bye. Love you.